Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Rachel with Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we're going to be making chocolate ice cream in the Ninja Foodi blender. You guys, you actually don't need the Ninja Foodi blender for this recipe. You can make it in any blender. This blender has an ice cream function. It only runs it for about 1:30 seconds, but so long as you run the cycle until everything is mixed in together and well blended, you can make this recipe as well. So I'm going to show you guys how to make that. If you're interested in any of the items that I used today in the video, be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and check the description box below for any of the links of the items that I used today. But let's go ahead and dive right into making this delicious chocolate ice cream in the Ninja Foodi blender. Alright, so today we're going to need half a cup of whole milk. You'll also need half a cup of heavy whipping cream. You also need 2/3 cup of sugar, which I have right here. And then 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. 2 cups of ice. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and an airtight container. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Super easy. We're going to turn on our blender. Ice goes in first because it's the hardest surface. You want that closer to the blades. You can kind of push that down. And then the rest of the ingredients, guys. Alright, so we'll put in our milk and our heavy whipping cream. Our cocoa, which I notice is very messy. And our sugar. Alright, we're going to do ice cream. And let it run. Alright, so the cycle is complete. It only takes a minute. Alright, and I'll show you. Let's see the texture. It's going to be very liquidy, that's fine. Once you put it in the freezer, it's going to harden and you'll have your ice cream. So you're going to fill your airtight container. Alright, so you're going to go ahead and close your airtight container. If you have plastic wrap and you don't have any airtight container, you can put plastic wrap right on top of it. And you're going to refrigerate or freeze it. I don't even know how to talk today again. So you're going to freeze this for about 5 to 6 hours. And then we can go ahead and eat it. Alright, and there we have it. We have our chocolate ice cream. It's been in the freezer, and I went ahead and I got some hot water on my little ice cream scooper, and I will have the link for it in the description box below. And I'm going to show you guys. Chocolate ice cream in the Ninja Foodi blender. Super easy, you guys. Great for the entire family to enjoy. I'm going to go ahead and let's do the taste test, but let's get a closer look. Alright, let's take a bite. I want to show you guys. So rich. Oh, it's so good. Really good, you guys. So this is how you would make chocolate ice cream in the Ninja Foodi blender. You guys, it's amazing, quick, easy, great for the entire family to enjoy. hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more Ninja Foodi blender recipes coming your way on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews. You guys, I have mint and chip ice cream coming your way soon using the Ninja Foodi blender. But again, you don't need the Ninja Foodi blender to make this recipe. You just need a blender to mix all the ingredients together, and the freezer does the work. So I just wanted to show how easy it was to make chocolate ice cream in the Ninja Foodi blender. But make sure you hit that subscribe button, you guys. Until next time, you guys have a great night.